The stray animals have been spotted in these two areas. Let's rescue them. Follow the signs and you'll find the stray animals. It's
Today we have this beautiful
dangerous for the kitten to hide. It refused to come out. Let's attract it with a toy. Yeah, the kitten has come out. Let's keep looking for the next animal. The parrot is right up there. Let's go up and save it. The parrot was injured. Let's bring it back for treatment.
Tumba, tumdidi 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 tumba.
Little animals need treatment. Let's bring them back to our rescue center. Mew Mew, I'll leave little animals to you. No problem. Let's choose a nice little house for the animals. They look very uncomfortable. Let's give them treatment. The kitten is having inflamed eyes and looks uncomfortable. Let's treat its eyes. Fleas on the stray kitten can make it itchy. Let's help it get rid of the fleas. The kitten's body is also infected. Let's apply some drops. Look, the kitten is feeling much better now. The examination is complete. It's totally healthy now. Let's feed it. Wonderful! It's ready for adoption. It's so adorable, and I really like it. I've decided to adopt it. Is it okay? Of course. Let's get familiar with it. Pet it, and it'll be happy. It seems to be fond of you. Choose a delicate gift for it. Aim at this little animal and take a picture of it. Great! You're its owner now. Please take good care of it. This pet has moved to a new house. Let's clean up its previous house. This house looks great! The next little animal will be happy to live in it. Let's see how we can help them. One of the parrot's wings was broken. Let's give it treatment. The parrot is still weak. We should apply some more drops. That's great! The parrot will be able to fly again. The examination is complete. It has regained its health.
So this little kid was sitting next to me on the plane playing this game for the entire 3 hours. He cleared so many levels.
Let's feed it. Wow, it's ready to be adopted. So adorable. I really like it. Can I take it home? Of course. Let's get familiar with it. Pet it and it'll be happy. It seems to be fond of you. Choose a delicate gift for it. Aim at this little animal and take a picture of it. You're its owner now. Please care for it. This pet has moved to a new house. Let's clean up its previous house. This house looks great! The next little animal will be happy to live in it.